Exposing the magic in Japan's rapid modernization. What really happened during the Meiji Restoration? Picture this. Japan in 1868, stuck in feudal times. Then, bam! The Meiji Restoration kicks off. Samurai lose their swords and the emperor regains power. Feudal lords, gone. Schools, railways and factories springing up everywhere. Japan opens up to Western ideas, adopting tech like there's no tomorrow. Imagine in just a few decades, they go from isolation to becoming a global powerhouse. It's like a historical glow-up. By 1912, Japan's not just modernized, but competitive on the world stage. All thanks to the Meiji Restoration, a time when Japan pressed fast forward on history. Who knew modernization could be this thrilling? And there you have it, the Meiji Restoration in 55 seconds.